In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to recover deleted quotes on Zoho Books Mobile. This is crucial for maintaining accurate business records, resolving client disputes, and ensuring compliance with audit and tax regulations. To do this, simply head to Zoho Books. Now let's say you have mistakenly deleted a quote, document, or some files. Simply tap onto the More button at your bottom right. You will then see the option of Documents. Now to see any deleted stuff, simply head to this option of Trash. Here you will find all deleted items. You can also tap right here to customize on what you are looking for. You just want to tap on the deleted item and click on the Recover option. Well, that's how easy it is to recover deleted documents on Zoho Books. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.